Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Not too long ago, I was in the shower lathering up this fine specimen of humanity. And an idea struck me for a couple of different dishes. And to make those dishes, I was going to need some smoked pork belly. Now, because I filmed these about a month ago, and in the meantime, an opportunity popped up to have a collaboration with Jim of Jim's Kitchen. One of the products of the smoked pork belly has already been published. Our peanut butter pork pinwheels, and they came out amazing. The next one is going to come out in about a week or so, so stay tuned for that. But here is a short, quick video on a very simple cook of a smoked pork belly. Hope you enjoy. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. As I said in the introduction, I need some pork belly this week for two ingenious ideas that I came up with. What I have here is about a 10.5 pound pork belly. Right now, my Yoder YS640 pellet grill is heating up to 275 degrees. This is a crazy simple cook. All I need to do is get a good rub on this. I'm using Cosmo Q Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. Stuff's absolutely amazing. Get a good liberal coating on both sides. All right, I'll give it a few minutes to tack up and then we'll head out to the smoker. We'll see you out there. All right, smoker's up to temp. I have my meter block out here. I have the OG meter block, the original that came out on with Firestarter. Is that what it's called? Nope. Kickstarter. Yes. I have the original OG block that first came out on Kickstarter. So it doesn't do real well getting through the thickness of the Yoder smoker, so I always have to have it close by, but it works out for me. I'm going to take 2 probes and get those stuck into the pork belly so we can monitor the temperature. If you're serving a pork belly to eat that day, you're going to take it to 195 to 205, somewhere in there. Absolutely amazing. But what we're going to do with those other 2 recipes, we're going to cut this thin. What I'm going to end up doing is crisping up the slices of pork belly before I add them to these inventions that I have. So I don't want to have it that high of a temperature. I don't want it falling apart on me. I still want to have pretty good strength in those slices. So we're taking it to 165 today. To do that, we got to make sure we know what the temperature is. So I'll get the probes in, and then this beautiful slab of meat goes into the smoker. All right, so I know to get it to 195 takes about 3.5 hours. So I'm going to check this again about the 1.5 hour, 2 hour point, see where we are in temperature, and we'll go from there. We'll see you then. It has been 1.5 hours and we are at temp. So it's time to pull this beautiful hunk of meat. Get the cotton liners on, the nitrile gloves so we don't burn our paws. Yes. Don't try and take this out with tongs. It's just going to drive you crazy. Ah. Absolutely beautiful. And still holding together exactly what we want. All right, let's get this to rest, get it inside, and give it a taste. So got this masterpiece in. It has been resting. Now we'll give it a taste and see how it is. My judges are gone today, out shopping, doing crazy things, and that's fine. I'll try it myself. You can trust me. Look at that beautifulness. You can see the juices dripping off of it. Absolutely amazing right now. So, from this step on, I'm going to let this set until it comes down close to room temperature. I'm going to cut it in half for those 2 different meals I was talking about. Get it good and wrapped up and chucked in the refrigerator. So when it's time to make those meals, we'll bust out the slicer, get our slices cut how we want them, and then carry on. So don't miss those upcoming episodes. I'm not going to have any spoilers here, but they're both going to be incredible. So you want to check them out. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.